Good morning, dear students. Again, I am continuing the chapter 1 Resources and Development. Today's topic is land resources. You know, we do our almost all economic activities on land. We do farming, we do have industries, and we do get our buildings constructed only on land. We run a school, coachings, we rear animals. These all activities we do on land. Hence, it becomes of utmost importance, but it is fixed. So, its use should be properly planned. Our country has 3.28 million square kilometer of land, of which 93% area is there only under survey and got proper land utilization report, because some of the parts of previous Jammu and Kashmir have been occupied by Pakistan and China respectively, POK and Aksai China. There in northeastern states except Assam, surveys it have not been properly conducted. So again, we don't have data regarding land utilization or use pattern over there. 43% land of India is there of plains, 30% of mountains and 27% of plateaus. You know, these all are very important. Mountains are the store of snow and forests. Snow supplies water to almost all rivers, make them perennial in nature, which are used for hydel power generation and irrigation. Forests are there, provide base to Ayurveda, and mountainous zone have hill resorts, stations inviting many tourists. Land use depends upon basically two factors. One is physical, that includes topography and relief features of the land, quality of soil, availability of water, rivers. Second one, human factor, that includes socio-economic development, some religious factors also, roads, railways are there created by human, affect land utilization. Here general land utilization chart given: forest 33% at least a country should have area under forest. India had resolved in 1952 only to have this much land under forest, but presently it is around 22. That is much less. Land not available for agriculture, it means some parts of land might be barren and waste. Barren land which is not suitable for cultivation, lacking fertility or terrain not ideal, climate may not be good there, water may not be available, and human effort it has not been made properly over there. Second one, buildings and roads over which we don't do agriculture, where other uncultivated land like pastures. Pasture means a piece of land that is used for animal grazing. In USA, in New Zealand, in Australia, they have pasture land. But in our country, generally we don't have. Riverside, mountain slope, roadside, canal side, normally we use for pasture. Though animal stand we have very big, but post-feeding process of animal rearing we have in practice. We give them fodder in their tubs placed at their posts. Some areas are there under tree crops, which are also treated as uncultivated land and cultivable waste, where agriculture can be done, but garbage or rotting water is there, placed due to improper management of both. Some land we keep as fallow. Fallow means not cultivated. Some may be current fallow. Current fallow means where agriculture process has become costly, very costly affair. That's why our land has become less productive, less profitable. And some land we have left for retaining its productive capacity. 1 to 5 years, from 1 to 5 years of time we have left. Last one here is sown, net sown and gross sown. Try to understand it, my dear students, properly. Total area under cultivation is called net sown, whether cultivated once, twice or thrice of the agricultural year. But area cultivated once plus area cultivated twice plus thrice is called gross sown. See, for example, a farmer has 4 acres of land and does agriculture over total area. It is his net sown. But he does agriculture second time and third time also. Then 4 plus 4 plus 4 equal to 12 acres of land over which he does agriculture in an agricultural year. That is gross sown. In our country, net sown area varies from a state to a state. In northeastern states, particularly Arunachal Pradesh, their land is under cultivation less than 10%, whereas Punjab and Haryana, there it is carried on over 80% of land. Do you know the regions? Regions, some physical, some human. Physical, land is there plain, climate is good, water available, soil fertile, and there in Arunachal Pradesh, land is not even, water not available, soil not fertile, climate not good. Hence, it is there under 10% only. Next lecture you will have on land degradation and conservation measures. My dear students, your homework is to listen the lecture and copy the note that I have written over here, and you will find if any problem you will ask me on WhatsApp. Same number is there of my WhatsApp number also, call number also. You may ask directly or you may write questions. I'll answer them either in next lecture or direct on WhatsApp or on telephone call. Thank you. Thanks a lot. Have a blissful day, my dear students.